What's up? Welcome to Spectrum DIY. I wanted to share with you, there's my kids drawing. Let me move them out of the way. Just sit them right there. It's my kids artistic. Did they draw an eyeball? They drew an eyeball. That's cool. Anyway, so we're going to smoke test this. I did plug in some cables. I've got, the way I've got it set up, I'm using VCO number 1 of the 5 stack, square wave, into the Quad VCA. I'm going to run out straight into my mixer over here in the Wanda, which is unmuted and ready to go. So we're going to smoke test. I wanted it on camera. So far, so good. Don't see any smoke. Switch is good. Activated. Now, in order to test this, this is a VCA. So I'm going to take one of these. Let's see. This one is gate. So we're going to come from gate into here, into CV. Output there. This one is pitch. If you look, it says pitch on the back. I do not have mod plugged into anything, so we'll plug that into here. We're not getting any sound. What are we doing wrong? Aha. Oh, there we go. Maybe tune it down some. Ooh. Oh, that sounds cool. Oh my God. So like, and that's coming straight off of this one. That's so cool. Yeah, heck yeah. Let's see. Hold on, tune that. What if I put on a Potentiometer? Heck yeah, I love that. So that's what, the attenuator, I guess? Yeah. So this... That's pretty cool. I guess that's a hold. And then the other one is nothing. So that's, and then that's mute. Yeah. Cool. All right, so what would happen if I plugged from this square wave into this one? And why is that inverse? All right, let's try. Oh, that's, I know why. That's because that's the gate. I'm silly. Let's go. So let's move this down. And then flip it on. Is it not tuned up? Or is it tuned too high? Maybe it's the pitch. Sometimes I gotta readjust these knobs. Or it would help if I turn the volume up. Yep. Oh, that's low. All right, let's turn it up a little bit. A little bit too low. All right, cool. Sorry about the camera work. My apologies. So I would need 2 control voltages, which is gonna be, I could probably send, this is gate, right? So this is gonna be tricky. I need a multiplier. That's what I need. Anyway, cheers guys. I just wanted to show you. So this is coming off of only this one thing here. In fact, it's coming out of VCO2 now. So like I'm gonna adjust pulse width while down here, so hold on. Heck yeah, I like that. So the next video is going to be on the MIDI MUSO, MIDI to CV. And I'm going to need that because I'm going to send the MIDI from here into the MIDI MUSO and use its CV outputs to control this ridiculous monstrosity. This is a lot already. Like, this really is a lot. I would have to also send some CV outs and CV outs to here and then gate it over here. So there's 4 gates and there's 5 VCOs. So really this needs to be a Synco VCA, but I don't have a Synco VCA, but that's okay. So cheers guys, and I'll see you next time.